This is the intro.
Alright guys, we usually don't start the videos out inside the truck, but today was a last minute video because we got a surprise coming. Nick is getting a different rig today. Well, he's actually getting another rig, I should say. He's gonna have the RS1 still, now something else. And we're headed there to go pick it up. We're actually supposed to be heading to St. Helen right now because we're gonna be riding there for 2.5 days. Staying out there, it's gonna be a great time. But first, it's time to get a rig with more power. So right now we're racing up here. We're gonna meet Nick and you guys get to see what the new rig is. What are you so happy about? All these dogs?
Yeah, look at them all.
Look at this rig. So here it is, guys. Nick's new rig. He's inside, I'm assuming, doing some paperwork. What we got here is a 2018 Razor Turbo XP, so 168 horsepower, but it does have the goods. Aftermarket assassins, shock therapy, suspension, valving, and springs. Obviously 30-inch carnivores, I believe, maybe 32. No, they're 30-inch. Pro Armor doors, front and rear bumpers. I mean, she's pretty loaded up. Also has ride command, which is awesome because I also have ride command. So Nick is stepping up in the power. All the power here. Ooh. Man, these are pretty heavy duty doors. Those are nice. This thing only has 425 miles on it. So yes, he is getting a used vehicle, but this thing is fresh, guys. You can see it's got the same steering wheel as mine also, the Sparco, which is really nice because the stock ones. Yeah. Also, we got the Sub-Zero harnesses, which I really like. Or are they Sub-Zero? Oh, they're retractable. Look at that. Also, to go along with all the AA stuff, it already has an Aftermarket Assassin's exhaust on it. It's got the blow-off valve. I don't know what tune they're running right now, but it comes with 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it don't matter because we'll get them all anyways. Tank.
He's a lazy boy.
Yeah, he is. He guards the Razor.
Yeah. Hi, big boy. Look at that big guy. Oh my God, we've got puppy galore. Puppies everywhere.
I totally forgot to bring the ramps. Whoopsies.
That's okay though. We got ditches.
Oh man. I don't even know what to say right now. This guy's just grinning from ear to ear.
Oh, speechless.
I'm seriously speechless.
Here, we'll just get this back to the compound and we'll talk
right
about
now, it. Nick's sitting on cloud 9. I'll explain when we get back to it. It's too cool. It's right there.
He doesn't even know how to open it.
I know.
Oh my God.
Sounds like a turbo. Sounds pretty sweet. Sounds familiar.
Yeah, not to me. Well, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm so excited.
Riding just got a lot more interesting this weekend.
Riding did just get a little more interesting. I figured, hey, Earthland needs a break. I'll just go buy a new machine. They're pretty tough.
It's good.
Here's a good tough test.
Yeah, he made
tough
them.
test.
Yeah, I made those. Made those in the parking lot of a Home Depot in Denver.
Yeah.
5 years ago. Let's see if they hold up. If it can load a McLaren, can it unload a turbo? Yep. They barely cracked too.
Yeah, I heard a little bit.
Home Depot tough.
It's because you're a master craftsman.
Master craftsman.
Yeah, I bought a new rig. So
got a turbo.
Yeah, I gotta feel that turbo life, man. I take a couple rides with Lucy, and I'm like, all right, okay, yeah, you're getting me jelly.
And this is the same setup as Lucy, basically.
It is. It's got the level 3 Aftermarket Assassin's tune, exhaust, and their clutch kit set up through it. I didn't go new. I bought used through a private, but got a really good deal on it. It has under 500 miles, so she's still kind of being broken in. And then, you know, just meeting the people that owned it, you could tell it was just their crew.
They were good people.
They're really good people. He actually just bought a Pro XP, and that's the reason he's getting out of this thing. So
Nick scooped up what was a pretty good deal, and now he's under a turbo.
Yeah, I am under a turbo. And it came with a crazy amount of goodies on it too. Shock therapy in the suspension, the front bumper light bar, rear bumper harnesses. It's got a front camera on it, which is pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's got ride command, so we can link up now.
Hoping if she... See how she
I mean, I'm really curious about the shock therapy because it has the springs and the valving, so
yeah,
it's not just the spring setup.
Well, let's go for a ride real quick.
All right. It's time to take a ride in Nick's new Razor Turbo. Woo! Pro armor doors, dude.
I know, right? Dude, pro armor doors.
You got the retractable harnesses.
Yes, this I love the retractable harnesses because in the RS1, for anybody, like when you're just like, hey, take my rig for a spin, then you're sitting here adjusting your harness.
These are pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, these are pretty nice. So the one thing I don't like about it, I'm just gonna have to adjust it, but it's actually this thing right here. When I have it on, it's like.
Full windshield too.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Camera on camera crime. Yeah, sounds nice.
Ooh,
yeah.
Sounds cool. Oh.
Feels super smooth.
Yeah.
How's the wheel feel? Shaky or anything?
Nope. Wheel don't feel shaky. Feels good.
Is it straight?
It's a little off, but the tire pressure, he told me, is a little low and all over the place.
My wheel's never straight, even on my brand new ones.
Oh my God, I have a Sparco wheel.
Yeah, you didn't realize. Did you realize? You didn't even realize that?
No, I didn't. I'm so excited. This is gonna be good.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Turbo time.
Yeah, you can
feels really like, that's kind of a...
It has a different type of body roll, it feels like.
It does.
This thing's cool.
Yeah, this thing is cool.
That's pretty
it.
badass. Buzz going in it?
Oh, it's getting better. I got a shock there, dude. You're good. Ass cushion.
Was it barking? Could you hear it?
Yeah, a little bit down the road. Brrr.
He was ripping.
Yeah?
Yeah, he was ripping.
Nice.
He was scaring me.
Oh my god.
I'm not used to
You
sitting-
can't sit passenger for anything.
No.
Go 35 and you're like, slow down.
Easy, Bob.
Go too
Easy.
fast.
Let me just take the RS one.
Oh, yeah. No, it's that shock therapy, dude.
Yeah. Shock therapy. Look at the ground clearance. Really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice, huh? She's powerful. Sounds good too.
Yeah, I'm pretty geeked
I
on it.
haven't even got to drive in Lucy yet.
Yeah, yeah. You broke your butt.
Yeah, you broke
Doing
your
good
ass
though.
loose.
Woo, man. Aftermarket gas cap. That's
Aftermarket gas
that's
cap.
a pretty good touch.
Yeah, even says Razor on it.
It does say Razor, doesn't it? Wow.
Yeah.
Straight from the factory.
Straight from there. Yeah.
So what do you think, man? I mean,
I
what do you think?
absolutely love it, man. I mean, it's a whole nother. It's not like the RS1. It's holy smokes, crazy power, just like a turbo, and it feels good, man. It really does. And driving this thing down the trail, feeling that shock therapy, just how it absorbs these corners, takes the bumps, the power. I'm pretty happy with the buy.
I can tell.
I'm pretty geeked on the buy.
I'm happy too, dude. I'm turbo on turbo crime now.
Yeah, exactly. Turbos. So, and like with all the aftermarket accessories that came with it, the bumpers, the windshield, the light bars, the gas
Thousands of
cap,
dollars in
thousands of
accessories.
dollars in accessories. So it's like I almost just got, for like what I paid for this, I got like all the accessories for free.
Basically, yeah.
Basically. And the ride command is going to be a super cool feature. I don't get that in the RS1. I also don't have a passenger, so that's going to be nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, the still has 2-year warranty on it, so, which is 2 more years on the warranty. So that's cool, just in case, because you guys know how I get sometimes. And
Do you want to disclose how much you paid?
$20,000. So $20,000.
Let the people judge.
Let the people judge. Let me know. Did I make a good move? Did I make not make a good move?
He still has the RS1, by the
And
way.
I still have the RS1. Yes. Yep. We're gonna turn that RS1 more into a track machine. You guys will see some more of that. We got some races coming up.
Which, by the way, plug RBOR race coming up here within a month or less. Actually, what's the date? You know,
May 15th.
May 15th. Go on to RBOR's
It's in May,
website.
I promise.
Or on Facebook, you can find them. It's the Trailmaster Challenge. It's an hour and a half straight on a 7-mile track at Twisted Trails in
It's-
Comus, Michigan.
It's awesome. It's insane. It's carnage. It's everything you want to do.
We should have been plugging this earlier. We're just so damn busy.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, so the RS1's gonna get some upgrades. You guys will see that later down the road. So just really wanted to buy a machine in the woods that I can just adventure
Buy
around.
a machine in the woods.
Buy a machine in the woods. I'm so giddy. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah,
right now.
you are talking Chinese. Let's wrap this up. We need to head to St. Helen. My machine's warming up right now. We're late, dude.
Yeah, we are late. I had to buy a machine. It was like a spur of the moment, if you want to know the truth.
Well, I'm
But yeah.
happy we're late for that reason.
Yes, me too. All right,
I'm
let's get 'em
super
loaded up.
happy.
Thanks, dude. Turbos,
Turbos, dude.
cool stuff.
I mean, same. It's going to be basically a 64-inch turbo versus a 72-inch Turbo S. I mean, same setups. He doesn't have charge tubes, but that's about it.
Yeah, no charge tube, but
I mean, there's still 168 motors, so
yep, exactly.
I mean, good comparison, and I'm just ready to shred the trails.
Let's do it, man.
We're gonna be up there for a couple days, so the next 2 videos are probably gonna be St. Helen. See, do a couple plugs. Merch below, description, Patreon, man, I was having
Hell,
brain
you
fart.
speaking Chinese?
Yeah, beep, bop, bop, bop. All right, see you guys later. See you in the next one. Beautiful. I don't think it's gonna fit, dude. It's gonna hit the ceiling.
Back in, put the weight towards the middle.
Yeah, you should back in. You should back in.
Back in.
You should back. Dude, the weight will be way better.
What?
The weight will be way better.
God.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just trying to be scientific.
Yeah. I really want him just back in because it's so much harder. It's so hard to back in here. How many?
I don't know, his is a lot littler.
It is
That's
smaller.
like 8 inches smaller.
How many tries do you think it's gonna take?
3.
3?
Maybe 1, but
I'm guessing at least 5.
think so.
Yeah.
Just keep towing him the wrong way.
No, I'm gonna let him try. Oh, Lauren has doubts too. Look at that.
It's gonna take 3 tries.
Oh, yeah, all right. He's doing good. Does sound like a monster truck. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hey, little Ford. Got a little Ford.
You kept looking at that. I was looking at this.
Yeah, that's good.
He went into new rig mode. He went into
Yeah.
driver mode and was just like, woo,
Everyone doubted
at
you.
this
Everybody
point.
doubted me?
Yeah.
Oh no, come on! Come on!
I'm not even gonna tell you how many tries I said I thought it would take.
I got it first. Heck, if you want to know the truth, I was like, don't screw this up. They're gonna make fun of me. I was concentrating very hard. Yeah.